Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS properties using an easy method. First, grasp the fundamental idea that CSS properties control an element's style, while values define that style. Begin by mastering essential properties such as color, font size, and margin. These are the building blocks. Then, immediately apply these properties to basic HTML elements like paragraphs and headings. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding quickly and effectively. Next, dive into practical application. Websites like CodePen or FreeCodeCamp offer excellent interactive environments to write and test CSS. Don't be afraid to experiment, change property values, and see how they affect your design. This trial and error process is crucial for learning. When you encounter unfamiliar properties, refer to reliable resources like MDN Web Docs. Their comprehensive guides provide clear explanations and examples, making complex concepts easier to grasp. To truly master CSS, start building small projects. Begin with a simple web page, perhaps a personal portfolio or a blog layout, and style it using the properties you've learned. When faced with a complex design, break it down into smaller, more manageable styling challenges. For instance, focus on typography first, then layout, and finally colors. Most importantly, consistency is key. Even 15 to 30 minutes of daily practice will yield significant progress over time. Once you're comfortable with the basics, venture into more advanced CSS concepts. Master Flexbox and Grid for powerful and flexible page layouts, which are essential for modern web development. Also, delve into responsive design principles to ensure your websites look great on all devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. Remember, continuous learning is vital in this field. And speaking of valuable knowledge, if you're looking to gain a new perspective on personal finance, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It could truly change how you think about money and wealth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.